In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix lag in Fortnite on your laptop or PC. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, there's a few different methods I'll be showing you, so just bear with me. But the first thing we're going to do is, before we even open Fortnite or anything, right click, go to show more options, and then you're going to see NVIDIA control panel right here, and then just wait for it to open up. Then go to adjust image 3D settings preview, go to use my preference emphasizing. It's usually going to be unbalanced, switch it to performance, press apply. Once you do, then switch back to use advanced 3D image settings. Even though you select this, it's still gonna have this into account. Then go to manage 3D settings, and basically you want to copy these settings. So have all of these off, scroll down. You want to have low latency mode on and not ultra, because that can cause FPS drops or any lag you're having. And then what you'll want to go ahead and do is, if you're on max frame rate, you want to go ahead and turn this off, scroll down, make sure it's on prefer maximum performance, open rendering GPU, put it on your graphics card specifically, scroll down again, you want to put quality on high performance, shaded cache size 10 gig if you have enough storage for it, and then yeah, you'll pretty much be good to go. Also, threaded optimization depends what PC you have, but you can try turning it on and turning it off and seeing which one works better for you. Now also, you want to go to change resolution and make sure your refresh rate is maxed out to basically account for how much FPS you can have on your PC. Disable G-Sync, and then from here, just go ahead and go out of that. Then go over to the NVIDIA application like so. If you haven't got it, go ahead and download it. Then go to drivers, make sure you're on the latest driver. Then go over to system, and then once you're on system, you want to go to performance and do the automatic tune if you're having any issues with FPS or lag. The next thing I want you to do is open up the Epic Games launcher like so. Go to library, find Fortnite, mine's right here. Press these three little dots, go to manage, and then press verify files. It's going to fix any issues that you should be having, because it's going to check through all the files and make sure everything's downloaded properly. Now, another thing you can do is go to your network settings. So right click, go to that, go to network and internet settings like so, scroll down to advanced network settings, and then basically from here I can just choose whichever Ethernet I'm going ahead and using. So for example, I could do this one, choose more adapter options. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do right now. Then it's going to open up this little section here. I want to basically go to Internet Protocol version 4, then go over to properties like so. Then I want to go ahead and use the following DNS servers. So I want to use 8888 8844. So make sure to type that in properly, then just press OK with that. Once you're done with that, you can go ahead and try and disable protocol version 6, and that should help as well. Then go to configure. Once you've done that, go to advanced, and you want to turn off anything that's like basically green. So like what you want to do is turn off gigabyte light. You can turn off green Ethernet as well. Scroll down, you're going to see power saving mode. Please make sure this is disabled. That makes a huge difference. Speed and duplex you can leave on auto negotiation, but let's say your Wi-Fi plan is on like 1 gigabyte a second, switch it to that, and then you should be good to go. The final thing I'd also recommend going ahead and doing is switching to an Ethernet if you can.